G'day everyone, Brendan Fowler here from Fleetwear. Today I'm here to dispel a myth. It's one that we hear a little bit, and I just wanted to put it out there so everyone's on the same page as to what you can and can't do. The myth is that if you've got a hire vehicle, particularly in the mining space, which we know can happen from time to time, and you have to put IVMS in the vehicle, is that you have to do a plug and play device. It's actually not true at all. So we work with a lot of different companies who pick up contracts and need short-term vehicle hire, or maybe 6 to 12 month vehicle hire, and they have to put in IVMS in the vehicle to comply with that mine site's requirements. We work with numerous hire vehicle companies to ensure that if you do need those vehicles, we work with the hire vehicle company to install the hardware as required so that you can still maintain your compliance without the hassle of plug and play and wiring. The other thing with plug and play devices is that sometimes you do lose functionality, and depending on which mine site you're going to, the requirements can be quite stringent and quite specific in what they need, and we'd hate for you to not be fully compliant just to take the easy option. So if you do pick up a contract in the mining space and you do have to hire vehicles for a period of time with IVMS, give us a buzz because we can talk you through who to talk to, make sure you deal with the right people, talk to the companies that are open to putting these hardware in their vehicles, and that way when you get the vehicle back, you've done the contract and everyone's happy. So hire vehicles, IVMS, we can help.